Hi guys, tonight I'm going to have you do a little prep work to get ready for our new unit on prepositions and prepositional phrases. So in your interactive notebook on page 46, I'd like you to get ready to take some notes from this little video. So, first of all, prepositions show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word in the sentence. They work a lot like adverbs, as they tell where or when something happens in the sentence, but there's two major differences between adverbs and prepositions. First of all, prepositions have a relationship to the noun in the sentence, and if you remember, adverbs always modify the verb or the adverb or an adjective. The other big difference is that prepositions are always part of a phrase. So, for example, in the sentence, I found the dog under the bed. Under the bed is our prepositional phrase. Under is the preposition. And bed is what we call the object of the preposition. In other words, it's the noun part of the preposition. All right? Under the bed tells where we found the dog. The noun in the sentence. In the sentence, he crawled there during the night. During the night is our prepositional phrase. It tells when he crawled. During is your preposition, and night is your object of the preposition. Now, I'm going to read you a little fun book that talks about and uses prepositional phrases in a really easy way. It's kind of a silly, fun way to introduce prepositional phrases. So this is called Rosie's Walk by Pat Hutchins. There's our crazy fox. Rosie the hen went for a walk. For a walk is a prepositional phrase. For is the preposition, and walk is the object of the preposition. I know it looks kind of funny because we think of walk as a verb, but it's a walk. She's not walking, it's a walk. There's the crazy fox again. And she went across the yard. Across is the preposition, and yard is the object of the preposition. And the fox has some unfortunate consequences to chasing Rosie. He chased her, or she went around the pond. Around is our preposition, and pond is the object of the preposition. So this phrase tells where Rosie went. The fox lands in the pond. There goes the fox after Rosie. Rosie went over the haystack. Over tells us where she went, and haystack is what she went over. And notice that all of these prepositional phrases, there's our preposition. All these prepositional phrases are telling where Rosie went. She went past the mill. Past is the preposition, or we call it the prep. And mill is the object of the preposition. Remember, we're going to have lots of nouns, different kinds of nouns, so we have to start giving them some different category names. Rosie went through the fence. Through is our preposition. Fence is our object of the preposition. Rosie went under the beehives. Under is our preposition. Beehives is our object of the preposition. And got back in time for dinner. We'll talk a lot more about prepositions tomorrow in class, but this just kind of gives you a little heads up. Notebook, I want you to glue the word list that I gave you today in class that has all the different prepositions. I want you to glue that in your interactive notebook on page 48. On page 47, this is a neat little trick to kind of help you remember prepositions. I want you to make a box in the middle of page 47, and you can label it preposition box, and put at the top, where did Rosie walk? And then think about what words from your preposition list that you could use to describe where she might walk in relation to the box. She could walk over the box. She could walk under the box. She could walk beside the box. She could walk against the box. See how many words you can write on your box list, and then we'll share those tomorrow. Okay, have fun.